Most of them are mubuse nam etwetwa boy. It will not take you anywhere. And the time will come that will be taken from you. Most of them mopumubo say enchine bags. Arrogant boys, some of you. You think you have seen money, disrespecting people up and down. I know referee some primary zone. You bet you mo kafia.
Abuza for mamuni na makwa the manga and some TV so. Don't want to like the video, remember subscribe to the channel, you know what notifications and then next time. Videos of this channel bounce on submit my copy. So the name from Mr. President. Sofo Agyin Asari wasn't the song my opinion. Alright. Some George will be conscious of Uguya Papa Agyin Asari anymore. Because I did do any singing. No matter how long it will take, a big P, the full best will go on. And a cousin Mrs. Opus who petty more pony petty more Japan and is a candy to me. And was depending be a mom for any penny being a papa for any penny being answer. But some George the answer did any. You see, in the Parliament House, we don't care about you are a first timer, you are a third timer, or whatever times you've been in the Parliament. Aside various positions, I bear assigning them as a majority leader, minority leader, caucus, then. Yeah, they are not in change, we know your colleagues. So, one common thing is running through the system, respect. But you see, some George, their level of arrogance, the level of ignorance, and selfishness and pride is too much. It goes beyond the normal. It will be no said on Jane or Casa. Now, therefore, some joy prayer it is a lesson or no what time again is a laptop, yen tip, neighbor composite, yen can as a movie. Some George prayer is all bar by me. The BI registered news, see, can almost become was much failure or on the left hand side, also on the left hand, and a Cassation colleague parliamentarians, all because he's in power, all because he holds position in government, all because he's a minister, all because he's a cabinet minister. But power is transient. To me, said the Budia indigenous or nature. Sasu indigenous or conference. Smokancha some John man to say in the coming years, 2028, January 7th, a 2 way and position by or they are going to lose woefully, and he's going to lose his position shamefully, and we're going to treat him shamefully and miserably because he doesn't deserve any sort of or any iota of pettiness. Kind of credit, more dear. And you see, Nipa am drinking with Agyin Asari. Great Agyin Asari Banon. Said Agyin Asari born and bra. It's true, Yame. A Kenya, some church in Yamia, demonstrate the power of God through the ministry of the kingdom. Now, what first I'm just saying about that's what opinion. Let the be a good animasi through politics. Ya name ya. Ya name ya. Kopapano opinion. The Agyin Asari building over the years. Now was some George, one person. They be a wound to for Casa Penny Bassabasa. It won't last now dreams that you were being a disgrace to Christianity, so we have to sit up. Hey, it's only be more, yeah. It's only be more, yeah. Because me, I'm a Christian. I believe in the kingdom work. So it will be so much unfair. Some share, and for Cassatia, men of God, whom I believe in the action of all their lives. It is so much unfair. But for someone like Sam George to be the reason the kingdom will be attacked, it's a disgrace. Because 2024, Sam George's campaign was through the religion. It was through Christianity. And about me a Muslim, and about me a religious prostitute. And now do I LGBTQ, then it means I bill. Sam George, have we been able to foster the bill, the sign of the LGBTQ bill? No. You were a disgrace to Christianity. You were a big disgrace to Christianity. What my parliament could do? Arrogance and pride is too much.
Boy, it will not take you anywhere, and the time will come that will be taken from you. Most of them mopumubo, I say enchine bags. arrogant boys, some of you. You think you have seen money, disrespecting people up and down. I know if some primaries on. You bet you mo kafia. I know if you say mo constituency to own. You bet you mo say yene we control the ground. Now so when we new primaries, I want to be my minister. Yet ya. You will not win. We will control. You will understand us. Also, I'm pumubo. You can't quasi some chenko for social media. Mofa phone unnecessary nonsense. I'm catching for. Now what you can quasi boy tantai in Ghana. We there here in Brebi Baye. Some people came to save some people with just 5 votes. Some people had to fight. Some people had to maneuver. Some people had to do work for people to get just 5 votes to become MPs. We there here. And I'm ready. It will come back. Yene, yetiha. We control. We will control. We will show you people. One pilot. You can pile everything. Now, one works our constituency. Yeah, no more. No ye ni anom. Tie di eni ebeka. I name is straight. Yapon.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I think that let us be clear. I did not just rise on my own. The Speaker of the House asked the specific question, and Honorable Minority Leader, I'm a member of this House, and I have maximum respect for leadership. So, playing to the gallery with some of the comments you made are very unfortunate. But let's be clear, I did not rise to object to government business. The Speaker of the House, and sometimes when you're in the chair, you should pay attention to business in the House. The Speaker in the chair asked the question, anybody with an objection? So I didn't rise on my own. I rose in response to the question the Speaker asked. I caught his eye and he gave me the floor. So I didn't just rise on my own. So it's important that we set the record straight. It's going into the Hansard. There are people you play to the gallery with. We have our banter when we have to. But when it's on the record is the record. And so if you're asking me to withdraw what? Are you asking the Speaker to withdraw his question if there was anybody in opposition? The Speaker asked that question and I rose on it. And let us state for the fact that your people have asked questions. For those of you who have just come to Parliament and haven't paid attention to even the orientation, you make the noise. But you see, no. First timers who didn't pay attention. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Minister responsible for communication.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
What you have to withdraw is if the questions are not taken, you wouldn't be able to come back and answer them.
Mr. Speaker, the very individuals who asked the questions, I said the questions have been invited to answer, for which I've sat in the chamber for 2.5 hours, are time bound. The individuals who have even filed the question are not in the chamber. And so I'm saying to you that, Mr. Speaker,
all you need to do is to wait when it gets to the time and we call the question. And the individuals are not here to ask the question. Then whoever is presiding at that material moment will give the necessary directions. That is what happened. But I'm not also comfortable of the statement that if the questions are not handled for today, you will not be able to come back and answer the questions.
We are Namachirim, Yanko.
Recruitment, you're working with the finance minister.
Muntio.
A joint cabinet member.
I'm getting many of them on the stream. That's
I
why.
know. A lot of the teachers are not particularly happy with government, happy with the Minister for Education. I see justified demonstrations and picketing at the ministry. But I am not the approving authority. I wait for the Minister for Finance to grant me clearance. With clearance will indicate that I recruit 10,000 teachers. Then I proceed with GES to do that. I don't have the approval. And therefore, it is not a case of Haruna Idris or Minister for Education not wanting to help teachers. We recognize that we need teachers across the country. As I said, to improve foundational learning and education.
Recruitment, your
Me pacho enche bia
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ebe kachire yan Ghana phone na say. Ye recruit over then 1 million workers, especially in the nursing and teachers field. Osomafo a oda education ano say. Otiti say ye say unfair teacher for adwumam. Na osre teacher for say enya no photo a. Say atofo sen no a omo ka kire ye say sika ta ho say po into omo de be ye adwuma no. So no ama ono Haruna no clearance ya. Ontumi nya hwe. Into the question again will be say aban na ho ka kire ye say amela me sama kusie ni yo. Aban no president ni say we create adwuma wa fan crofo adwuma. Dia oche education so say me pa cho me no ye ma me clearance ntumi fan crofo adwuma. Ye ma me clearance dia me fa teacher for adwuma me fa o fine. But ye ma me clearance. Who should we believe? President, you say yama 1 million jobs. And now the adwuma ne se ne nsa no ka kire say there be adwuma ne ye ni sky ye dey no. Fine, and obegine di. Oba kukuru 5 minutes fa na yanko.
Abusia for me church obi a me gidi se nyame adom obi a ho ye.
Obi a ho ye pa.
Eye wa me say nanka hwan nanka e beda sori adwene ho say ye de Mahama betoto ba o me ho a na chese Ghana for akoye mistake ato amasabi. Obi obeye vice president ye hunu ade bia obeye as vice president. Obeye president scandals ahodo ne Ghana sika obewi aye essay Ghana sika e ma Ghana ye basa emu dun so aye da ye sebi emu basa ya oye ye basa hia de be she Ghana say Ghana de ka hwan na nke bedwede ho da senka Ghana ke be kwakoto ba short memory na o ka che say short memory no ampadampa ya kire ne say ampa ya short memory amando no oti good oti Jubilee House or who say Ghana for ye jimi nti no one for respect bi ama Ghana for no and until he came to lie to us say Ghana Statistical Service for man ya where say one man for 1 million jobs automatic posting automatic one ya ni nyina to nsuo mo no anim sa to nsuo mo no in the Ghana Statistical Service for say 330,000 One Mahama could not simply so catch Ghana for you say 1 million jobs knowing very well say it is a lie. All because wouldn't you pass over because yama 330,000. It is such a disgrace to you and your government. Who be catch and say you 1 million because you promised the nurses automatic posting, you promised the teachers automatic posting. That's when to me and yama when no be catch say you have restored the allowances and no correct. Say allowance on about 1 year no be true. Akufo-Addo time we train 2016 2015 Akufo-Addo be restored in 2017 no wo ba ye osabe ye president 2025 ye was atwam 1 year when ti omoka one good year be ye president when ti omoka nti obeka kire mo say he has restored it no it is because he cancelled it he himself has cancelled it again na Ghana for ye mfanya yen ye mfanya yo ye mfanya yen na ya hey, obi sebi mo ye be ye policy ye baby be Ghana for nya so fa so ye do election na ye October Mr. Felix send ye ko kasabre panko fa to so mo October keke na Ghana ye ni ye keke no as if se Ghana na ye be ye ni ye ba be ye ni ye ama ye nkwa ma ya tene mu emu fufuo wo emu banku ka emu ntadesiye adai to say the Ghana na ye prayer hwese ni nyina be koso na ye nkwa na e koso ama ye omo maka ne nka ho me wa free education ba ye no Akufo-Addo anka say MPP for nko kita MPP membership card nkwa na ba go school fee he said say obia e ko free education obia e ko free education obia ko bi obia ba ko bi aden Ghana for ade automatic posting na do dan Akufo-Addo ba ye be posti enkola motene fie from 2014 2016 o pe post mu nyina automatic post na do dan Akufo-Addo na re baaye ni na no mo ka che plain mo nto aba no enenya me na etwia mo ka Mahama on santi increment ne so se mo se de wo panie na do baaye obeye mu yie etu increment mu salary increment at the 30%.
Oh yes,
in the Mahama basashi ade etimi tesu ma ne 9% na mo 11% mo ton wa de papa to ama sebi Mahama ka ba omia to aso a nka sebi Ghanaians would be experiencing a kind of different economy that to aba ma basashi ade we ni omo nkofo wi Ghana sika wi Ghana gold di Gold that sebi Ghana ye fe gold coaster na nado danko kufa do ne baomia betu 8 tons. Sa gold no gold ye e mani ko do 30.53 tons. Most that ton gold na ma wan kasangasa mo at $3,300. We be catch Ghana for some di ense bo Ghana sikam asa ko ton at $5,500. Nya me be chia mo kan dis